China's courier sector has seen an accelerated recovery with a surge in parcel handling in early 2023. According to the State Post Bureau, the country's courier companies hit the 10 billion parcels mark within the first 39 days of this year, which is 40 days quicker than in 2019, before the COVID-19 epidemic struck. The SPB said this year's performance demonstrates the vitality, resilience and growth potential of China's express delivery industry, adding that it shows that consumer confidence is increasing and the economic recovery is picking up pace. Data also show that the average number of parcels handled daily has exceeded 330 million since February, a fact that has contributed to the recovery of the consumer market. At the processing center of courier service provider Shunfeng Express in North China's Tianjin, parcels are being transferred to each terminal through the automatic sorting system. The center boasts 2 sets of automatic sorting equipment with a daily handling capacity of 3,000 tons of large parcels.
目前我们天津大件中转场日均的货物处理量在2000吨左右，较去年同期增长10%以上。随着各个高峰期的逐渐来临，这个数字还将稳步增长。
This year, the SPB will promote the construction of the rural logistics system, enhance the deep integration of postal services and advanced manufacturing, and help build modern international companies in the sector.